Hi. The new Dumbapp creator is now at minimum viable product, essentially. It's still missing tutorials and more help for the average user, but it is usable, so I've deployed it live for everyone for well, whoever wants to try it out. I'll try to see if I can get as many people to try it out as possible. But anyway, um, so in its current form, the way you access the new creator is when you have a dumb app open on the bottom right, there's a little link to modify this dumb app, which will load the current dumb app in the creator as a base, and then you can go ahead and edit it, and then save it as a copy. So I'm going to open that in a new tab, just so I can compare the current one to the currently open dumb app to the actual creator. So here we go. This is the creator in its current form. You'll see there's these little edit icons for a lot of things that you can edit. And there's a few other additional things compared to just the dumb app because of, you need to be able to access some things to be able to edit it. So for example, there's the add a step button down here, modifying decimals, symbols, all kinds of stuff. So let's just go through and create a version of this dumb app for a different token. And I'm just gonna demonstrate how this works real quick. So I'm gonna change this to a contribute dumb app for Gemini dollars. So I'll start with just changing the contract. Um, I've got my recent contracts here, but I can just also search, get Gemini dollar. There we go. Now the contract's changed. Now you'll also notice though that it still says 6 decimals in cash because I copied it from an old dumb app which doesn't have this new feature, which is automatic symbol from Gemini dollar, or the contract that's currently in the step. So I'm going to change that to automatic, and now it loads GUSD automatically. And the same for the decimals as well. Oh, I didn't know that Gemini dollar only had 2 decimals. Interesting. Okay. So in the future, if somebody then copies this dumb app, it'll already automatically change these. Actually, I can even show you real quickly. Let's go with Tether, for example. Got 6 decimals USDT. And go back to Gemini and so on. Okay. Up here, we'll need to change the title. And, most things you can edit by just clicking and starting to type, like so. Well, I want to change that to GUSD as well. And this is Markdown, so this little editor toolbar pops up to help you write it. Okay, the first field here is the to field. Now, because there's a value entered into it, it tells you this input will not be shown to users. It will be pre-filled. Like here, it's not visible here. It's only in the transaction preview on the right. We could, let me just copy that so it's in my clipboard. We could click clear and turn it into a field for the user to, excuse me, enter as well. But that would, in this dumb app, that doesn't make any sense. But just to see, you can add a help text by clicking here. If there's an existing value that could be used for it, that'll be an option up here. Like you can just click it to be user wallet, and then over here you say it'll be filled with the user wallet address. Okay, I'm going to put back the DAO food address there. And then, we'll need to change this GUSD amount to contribute. Okay, that looks pretty good, I think. I think that's all I need to change. Then here tells you as well, saving will create a new dumbapp with your changes. So since there's no authentication or ownership to dumbapps currently, you can only make changes by saving a copy. But that works out. Anyone can create dumbapps anonymously. It'll just create a new short code, and there we go. We can go ahead and look at it, and there we are, GUSD. Huh. That should be showing the name of the contract. I don't know why it's doing that. I'll have to look into that. Oh well. Yeah. I'll write that down. Anyway, that's as maybe. We can. So some of the other things that I still need to do. Ether transfers don't work in the creator currently. And ETH values. I'll need to add support for suggestions and proposals, and then another thing I'd like to do is right now if I go ahead and select another, I add another step, we'll go with Gemini dollar and let's say approve. Right now it doesn't automatically add the decimals and symbol for known functions like ERC20, transfer, approve, transfer from, so on. So I want to make, I still add that so it automatically makes this automatic decimals and automatic symbol. Okay, I think that's it for now. Oh, now that I added the second step, you can kind of see this a little bit as well. Now that there's more fields, there's options to use an existing value for these fields, like the to field that's up here that has a value. We could use that, the value of that field for this other address field as well. Like that's most useful for for things where there's like an approve and call thing. Like let's say a DICO fund dumbap. So here you want the user to just enter the funding amount once, and then the approve and the fund function will use the same value. So that's what that does. Okay, I think that's it for now. Thanks.